Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest beauty products, trends, and insights. Today, we're taking a close look at the MEIMEI 28-inch Loose Wave HD Full Lace Front Wig. This human hair wig claims to offer a natural, stylish look with a lot of features that catch the eye. But does it live up to the promise? Let's break it down. Product overview. The MEIMEI 28-inch Loose Wave HD Full Lace Front Wig is crafted from 100% real human hair, boasting an impressive 250% density for a thick, voluminous appearance. The hair is soft, smooth, and reportedly free from tangling and shedding, which are common concerns with wigs. It also promises versatility as it can be straightened, restyled, dyed, and even bleached. This wig features a 13x4 full lace frontal, providing more styling options, and comes with a pre-plucked hairline, baby hairs, and invisible knots for a more natural look. Additionally, it comes with a mid-size cap, 21.5-inch to 22.5-inch, designed for comfort, featuring a breathable inner mesh and HD lace that's meant to fit a wide range of head sizes. According to the description, it can be worn comfortably for extended periods, making it ideal for both daily wear and special occasions. Real-world testing and usage experience. I found the wig relatively easy to install right out of the box. The HD transparent lace blends seamlessly with the skin, which is a huge bonus for anyone who wants a more natural appearance without the hassle of complex lace tinting or adjustments. The texture is incredibly soft and it holds up well when styled. I tried both the loose wave look and a straighter style, and it responded beautifully to heat without losing its softness. The 13x4 full lace frontal gave me plenty of room to experiment with different parting styles, from a deep side part to a more natural middle part. The wig's natural texture also means you don't have to do much to achieve a stunning look, but you can restyle it as you wish. However, the cap size might be a bit snug for people with larger heads. The mid-size cap fits most, but if you're on the larger side, it may feel a little tight after extended wear. Pros and cons. Pros: real human hair. Soft, smooth texture that feels and behaves like natural hair. HD transparent lace blends seamlessly with most skin tones, offering a more natural look. Versatile styling. Can be straightened, curled, or dyed, giving you the flexibility to customize. Comfortable fit. The breathable cap and HD lace make it wearable for extended periods. Cons: cap size. The mid-size cap may not accommodate larger head sizes comfortably. Density for some. At 250%, it's quite dense, which may not be ideal for those seeking a more natural, less voluminous look. Potential shedding over time. While the product claims no shedding, some minor shedding can occur after extended use or during styling. Value for money. When it comes to value, this wig offers a high-quality experience at a mid-range price point. The 250% density and real human hair justify its price, especially considering the natural look it provides and the versatility it offers in terms of styling. However, it's important to note that the wig's density may not suit everyone, especially if you prefer a more lightweight feel. Overall, it offers decent value for money for those looking for a long-lasting and versatile wig. Comparisons. Compared to other wigs in this price range, the MEIMEI 28-inch Loose Wave wig stands out with its 250% density and 13x4 full lace frontal, which allows for deeper parting and a more customizable look. Some wigs in a similar price range may offer decent density, but don't provide the same level of versatility in styling or comfort. However, if you're looking for a more lightweight option, there are alternatives with slightly lower density that might suit your preferences. Build quality and longevity. The wig is well constructed, with a durable lace and soft, smooth hair. As advertised, it's built to last for 1 to 2 years with proper care, which is impressive for human hair wigs. The lace front holds up well under regular wear and styling, and the material is resilient enough to withstand heat styling without significant damage. Customer support. While I haven't had direct interactions with the brand's customer service, MEIMEI has built a reputation for offering high-quality wigs at affordable prices. The transparency in their product descriptions and the attention to detail in the wig construction suggest a company that stands behind its products. Final verdict. The MEIMEI 28-inch Loose Wave HD Full Lace Front Wig delivers on its promises of natural texture, styling versatility, and comfort. It's perfect for anyone who wants a full, voluminous look with a natural finish, but it may not be ideal for those seeking something more lightweight or with a larger head size. If you're in the market for a high-quality customizable wig, this one definitely holds its ground. If this review helped, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other wig lovers can find this video too. Thanks for watching here at Beautyistic. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep rocking that beauty.